Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So to do this, you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Now look for the app called Google Classroom. Select it and install it. After installation process is finished, you'll be able to open the app, click on Get Started and choose the account for your classroom. Then you can click OK, press on the plus button, join class, enter the class code in the pool right here, and after that you can see that this blue button starts to glow in blue. You can, that gray button starts to glow in blue, and now you can press on join to join your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.